Marketing professionals can prioritize their current ABM list with Klarity. Get started by navigating to List. Click Upload List in the top right-hand corner. You can download a template from the screen if needed. Once you add your list, Klarity will begin processing and confirm when it's ready to use. From there, navigate to Search and into the Companies tab, and finally scroll down to the List section where you'll see the Target List option. Select your list, and your search will populate with only the companies from the list you uploaded. Adding in Klarity sales signals will further pinpoint your list. Buyer intent allows you to identify companies when they are most interested in a topic related to your product or service, while tech install data allows you to segment accounts based on their current technology stack. The bottom line? Klarity sales signals will help you segment your ABM list to prioritize accounts, identify opportunities, and personalize your outreach.